Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook hobby setting, how to use. And today video title is guys how to save hobbies on Facebook account. Friends, you want to save hobbies, you want to add any hobbies on your Facebook account. So friends, now let's see how to use hobby setting on Facebook account and how to save hobbies on Facebook account. First of all, tap on your Facebook application. After turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook application. So friends, first of all we will tap on profile. After tap on profile, you want to save your profile photo. So friends, tap here, you can save your profile photo. You want to save your cover photo, so you can save your cover photo. Edit profile setting friends, click here. You can edit your profile picture, you can edit your cover picture. You want to create your avatar, so friends click here, select your skin color. Friends, you can see, choose a skin tone for your avatar, so you can select your color and you can make your avatar, you can create your avatar. Bio setting you want to use, so you can use bio setting. Hobby setting friends, we will select add option, click here. Friends, you want to save any hobbies on your Facebook account, so you can select your hobbies and you can save. So what do you like to do, what do you love to do, select and you can save. But there are many different types hobbies friends, you can see there are many. Sketching, do you like to, so friends select your sketching. And second friends, singing, you want to save your hobbies on singing, so you can save here. And friends, you want to find any hobby, so you can search also here. For an example friends, I will search here chess, CHESS, chess. We will add save, we will save chess. Save option, your hobbies will save on your Facebook. Friends, you can see my hobbies are singing, sketching and playing chess. So like that friends, you can save hobbies on your Facebook account. You want to show your hobbies, so you can show your hobbies, and you don't want to use, so you can remove. Tap here, your hobbies will remove. After remove, save option, click here, hobbies will remove. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Now do you have any doubt, have any problem on your Facebook setting, so you can ask me in comment section. Thank you.